We humans are crazy creatures. We have this part in our brain called the subconscious mind, ironically controlling all of our beliefs. I think most people are living in the illusion of someone else's beliefs. But it is time to wake up. And today I'm going to tell you how to be the boss of your life. I believe that if we really love ourselves, everything in our life works. When when you were a baby, you had an understanding of the most basic things in your life, like using your limbs correctly. We were born knowing how to breathe, swallow, trust your gut, not care about what people think about your dance moves, and love fiercely. But as we grow up, all of these things are thrown out of the window and negative false beliefs are welcomed. Now you tell me, is it right to be blind to your primal understandings? Once you reach this stage, you start finding closure with things like alcohol or Netflix. It is basically settling for mediocrity. It is like we are born with a bag of seeds which we plant in the grounds. That is these stupid notions what the society has instead of focusing on your currently festering field. For example, some people in school act tough because that's qualified to be cool, right? When all they want is some connection with a pang of love. I mean, why invest time and thought in believing what other people think we should believe in? Life is too short. All that matters is that are you enjoying yourself and pleased with what you're doing? So, the first way is to stop comparisons. It is the best mood killer. Why would you decide that someone else's uniqueness is better than yours? You are more than enough. It is time to press stop instead of snooze. It is time to start connecting with our inner selves and start living lives as authentically as possible. And we all know about the most unbridled of all, self doubt. We find all the possible reasons to prove that we are not good enough. Well, the solution is self love. I'm talking about how you love yourself unconditionally to let go of all the pain, shame, and guilt and embrace joy and confidence. Look, we all mess up. It is human nature. You have messed up, you will mess up again. It is normal. You aren't the you aren't the only maniac over here. Get over it. Forgive yourself. All of this just ends up with you being sad and you really don't want to be there. Let it go. Imagine you being in love with yourself so much that you wouldn't be bothered by anybody else's drama. How amazing would that be? It would be such an escape from this reality altering world. How difficult it is to make yourself a priority. Take out time for the things you love to do. If you do things while keeping in mind the critical judgment of the lousy crowd, you are not the boss. You rather should make a deliberate effort to do things which bring a smile to your face. Please do not forget that there is no one like you on this earth. You're kind of a big deal, man. You're unique, powerful, and amazing. How often do you say this to yourself? From personal experience, immersing yourself in affirmations is the key. I mean, give it a try. There's nothing to lose. You can go wild, stick posters around your house, and just write it down 10 times. Figure out affirmations you need to hear and just breathe them. It may feel as if you're lying to yourself, but guess what? You're living the lie. So, affirmations swing you right back to the holy gospel truth. But do not do it for the sake of doing it. And what about the self deprecating humor? I know it's funny, but why on earth would you do that to yourself? It might seem harmless, but what you say to yourself on a daily basis gets into your system and you just follow it. And making fun of yourself, anyone can do that. Step up your game, change your jokes, appreciate yourself, and compliment your body. And lastly, love yourself because you are the boss.